Look at this. Oh my absolute Lord, I love everything. Isn't that fantastic? Wow, look at that. I love that little push. Oh my God, I love it all, guys. Look at that little cleaning thing. Oh my God, this is just... This is crazy. This is absolutely fantastic. I just love that in there, look. I just can't stop looking at it. That pram is just amazing as well, isn't it?
Yes, it's quite a big one, and it's missing a wheel. Do you have a baseboard? Yeah.
Wow. Look at the little...
Yeah, I found it the other day. You can't find it through that way.
Wow.
Go on Safari, and you'll find it. Safari, is it?
Aren't they amazing?
Put it in there. You should put the triangle site. So I've just got onto it because I was missing something. I wanted to clarify that one or two of my other triangle toys were a triangle.
Wow.
So, but then I brought the book. So
They are amazing.
yeah.
Look at these. Oh, wow. That looks amazing.
Just to clarify that some of them were...
Do you mind if I take a peek as well? Do you mind if I take a peek while you're here?
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't even...
my dream. Yeah.
Right.
That's what I said to Martin. He had one of these as a little boy, so I should have known you then.
Prams, of course.
Wow.
But it's things like that. I mean, I've got prams that I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah.
Because the triangle sticker's gone. I've brought that and it had nothing on it.
I love the little push chairs.
This one here.
Yeah, look at
It's
that.
actually got it on. And that, people kept telling me that was a B-day. It's not.
That's not.
It's a triangle baby's bath.
I was going to say, that's not B-Day. I hope you got it a little bit cheaper then, because they got it wrong.
You know, it's just like...
I think my favourite thing is the mangle.
Yes, I know. Yes. As I say, unfortunately, there are a few bits missing because where we keep it.
Yeah, no, I think it's amazing.
Home, the halls.
Wow, that book is amazing.
It's from America. I don't know if there are, you
Yeah,
any others.
I know, it's crazy, isn't it? They start off over here in England and it all ends up over there.
You know, we've got a little bike at home.
Oh,
So yeah, I mean, it's a fab book. I mean,
it is. I love it.
You know, as long as
Crazy.
you have it in your hands, you're welcome to.
That is amazing. Thank you for bringing your display.
Somewhere my husband's got these he's bringing in.
Wow.
We've been here. We started heading out at 5 this morning and we haven't had breakfast yet. Theirs. Me and my husband haven't.
Wow.
But,